Happy Wednesday Wellness, everyone. This is Malaika Bagudu. As you guys already know who I am, some of you guys have been okay, welcome and thank you for being here. I am Malaika Bagudu. I am holistic nutrition health coach. I am also a wellness chef. I like food. I don't want to say I like food, okay? It's my passion to live this body, to live in this body healthy. So, welcome. And happy new year to all of you guys, because it has been a couple weeks. As you guys know, I travel, I went on vacation with my family. Some of you guys follow me around with some of the pictures that we are memory back there in Togo. It has been amazing. I have a fantastic time with my family. But now I'm back and it's time to work. As you know, it's time to work. So for today, this month, February, what I have for you is amazing. You guys know I'm always excited every time I come here and have opportunity to share some tips of healthy living, holistic living with you. So we're going to talk about detoxification, okay? As you guys know, 1 year just went by, 2021 went by, there's a lot of things that we've been accumulating, talking about toxin and stuff that we've been, a lot of things in our body, just we want to get over all of that so we can start fresh. A new year, fresh. Okay, so if you are someone that you're looking a way to make yourself to look good, eating good, don't starving yourself, no yo-yo diets, and I just want to tell you, hey, join me on this journey for 2022. We are embarking on new dimension, of holistic living. So as detoxification, so every week I'm gonna come here and give you tips. I have some notes here on my phone. I'm just gonna read it quick, so because I don't want to miss anything, so I want to make sure that I'm going according to my agenda. Okay, whatever I put right here. So for week 1, which is today, okay, today I'm gonna talk to you about what is detox, what is detoxification, what is detox. When you hear detox, what that really means, we're gonna talk about that. And for next week, we're gonna talk about how did we detox and why, how we do that and why. Okay, because we want to one thing for me is when I do want to do a lifestyle change, I want to know why I'm doing it. You got to have your why. You have to know also the meaning of, the detail about what I'm doing. So it's very important. Okay, our third weeks we're going to talking about the benefit of detoxification. Okay, so basically because this week here is already like today's our first week, so and then we're gonna go on how we're gonna talk about why, and then we're gonna talk about the benefit. And also for some of you, I have put together a newsletter that will cover us for the whole year. It's amazing. So that means every month I don't want to bombarding your mailbox with information, even though it's good information. So I choose to do it once a month. So I am really looking forward for some of you guys just going, and if you want to learn more about detoxification, I want you to click the link below the description and join my newsletter email list. It's gonna be quick, show you guys know I like to be practical. Things that you can do to help your body live a healthy and happy life. Okay, so you can do that. And also for those that will go in and join my mailing list, I'm also giving you a 1 week meal planning. Like, okay, I want to detox my body, so what do I do? What can I eat? You are also I'm also available for you to answer all your questions. You can ask me questions how to do that. I'm going to provide you a 1 week meal plan. That's like roughly around 23 meal recipes. Okay, that is a blessing, so you don't want to miss that. All right, so what is detoxification? Okay, so really basic definition. Detoxify, detoxify the body means is the removal of is a natural removal of toxin from the body. Naturally, our body is built up to do this naturally, like the liver, your pancreas, your kidney, they all flushing up things every day. But this is what happened once a while, because of this life we live in is full of toxin. Okay, you will be amazed how much thing we put inside our body. Like you look at your lotion, your body lotion, your cream, you look about your shampoo, the product that you use for your hair. There's so much of chemical that go into things day to day that we're doing. So we want to make sure that once in a while we show that love to our body to say, you know what, let's remove the junks and put out the good thing. And also you learn what else to use. I'm totally open for some of you guys. As you know, also I am also a skin formulator, so that gives me another credential, because I know what needs to go inside this body. Okay, so talking about your skincare and stuff, like you have some questions you can ask. If I don't know, I will dig information. Thank God for Google and good books. Okay, all right. So today we are built up to this. Our body does this in regular basis, but sometimes we don't even know. That's why, you know, sometimes you go into the bathroom, maybe you drink some water, couple, you know, hours ago, you go into the bathroom, you see that your pee changed. Our body is trying to get rid of stuff. All right. We eat a lot of saturated stuff, you know, saturated foods. We have unhealthy, you know, oil that we use. We have a food that been processed a lot. So all of that is accumulating in our body for some time, and we got to let them go. Okay, 2022, let that be your year. You want to make sure that you live a healthy and happy life. So in another way I would say detoxify your life mean energy. So for this program right here that I'm offering you for a whole month, it's not just about get away toxin from your body. Actually, we're going to work on 3 dimensions. All right, you ready for this? So we're going to work on our body, our mind, and our spirit. So I'm touching spirituality. We're going to touch the body. We're going to touch your emotion also, because we do have some stuff that are like a junk in, you know, that part of our day-to-day, that when you don't detoxify your emotion, and you are not able to remove what needs to be removed, because it's not, for example, if it's not every relationship that you need in your life. It's good that you have a relationship, but if you have in a toxic relationship, you need to detoxify. Okay, so detoxifying your life means energize your life. It gives you energy. You become happier. It is about removing harmful material, such as replenish with beneficial material that support your overall health and well-being. It is about looking to gain greater awareness around you. So this one gonna touch a lot of different dimensions. Okay, not just food alone. Awareness around your daily habits in effort to make more conscious and informed decisions. You see, when you detoxify your body, it gives you a sense of peace. And also, like for example, the home that we are living. We all do, like sometimes some people do summer cleaning, spring cleaning. We need it. It's part of day to day that we have to do that, because after your house is full of a bunch of stuff, it become not so much interesting anymore. And a home environment is very important for your wellness journey. If your home environment is not where you want it to be, it creates tension, it creates stress, and it become like you come home, instead of be like, oh, I'm right now this is my hacienda, I'm here in my palace. But just where your palace can turn out to a pig den, and you don't want that. Okay, so we're all gonna go through all of this process I just listed. It's not just food, but we're gonna look in the human being as a whole, holistically. Okay, so if you want to join me on that journey, I encourage you that you click the link below so you can follow me through. Join the mailing list. That's how you can able to see all those goodies that I have for you. 1 week meal plan that will show you what to eat in the morning. So you have your breakfast, you have if you snack in the after breakfast, you have your snack. You also have your lunch, your dinner. That's Monday all the way to Sunday. And you have your grocery list. And I'll also show you how to cook the very easy meal that will help you to detoxify your body. Excuse me. Yeah, so some of you guys, if you want to know more about my journey when I went home to Africa, hey, tag me along. It was a blessing, like I said before earlier. It was really tremendous a blessing to go change your environment a little bit. It's all part of wellness. When you have to get together, relationship is very important. As you guys know, for the journey, I've been talking about relationship for a while now. It's very, very important. We want to make sure that those that we have in our life, they are touching, we're impacting. And also we want to make sure that we detoxify that area also, because if you do have people that become so toxic into your environment or in your, in your life, it become a stressful situation. Okay, so gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to be long with you today, but I want to tell you, get ready for detoxification. Okay, and plenty of recipes. That's why I want you to go click down below and sign up for my newsletter. I thank you. Until then, stay healthy. I will see you next week. Ciao for now. Bye.